Why does your scanner show the P1086 engine code? What does it mean? P1086 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel control. Mixture rich bank 2. Sensor 1. The P1086 engine code for indicate a manufacturer-specific diagnostic trouble code. Because it is not a standardized, generic code, its meaning changes entirely depending on your vehicle's make and model. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. What causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Subaru TGV focus, failed TGV position sensor, improper sensor installation, damaged wiring or connectors, failed TGV motor. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Hyundai, BMW, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.